Good evening, viewers. Let's look at today's headlines. On Tuesday, UPSC cancelled its latest advertisement to fill key posts in government departments through lateral entry, amid a political row over the lack of reservation provisions for the positions. The move came after the Union Minister of State for Personnel Jitendra Singh wrote to Union Public Service Commission Chairperson Preeti Sudan to cancel the advertisement so that the marginalized communities get their rightful presentation in the government. The protesting doctors and students have welcomed the court's decision to deploy Central Armed Police Forces at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital following the alleged rape and murder of a postgraduate trainee doctor on 9th of August and the violent events that unfolded on August 15. However, some students have expressed concerns, hoping the Supreme Court will ensure even better security measures. The recent mob violence has left many doctors and students traumatized, with some feeling unsafe that they have chosen to leave the area for their safety. On Tuesday, Karnataka Minister M.B. Patil said that a Taiwan-based Bestec group has expressed interest in establishing a manufacturing unit near Bengaluru at an outlay of Rs 200 crore that could generate 5,000 jobs. On Tuesday, a 24-year-old software engineer working at Wipro Private Limited in Bengaluru was found dead in a hotel room. The police suspect that the software engineer died by suicide. The deceased has been identified as Yagnik Sujit, a native of Hassan district. A nationwide strike has been called for Wednesday by a coalition of Dalit and Adivasi organizations in response to a recent Supreme Court ruling on SC/ST reservations. The Bandh, organized by the Reservation Bachao Sangharsh Samiti, has gained the support of various political parties and SC/ST groups. The strike follows a ruling on August 1st where a 7-judge bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud ruled by a 6:1 majority that states to further subclassify scheduled castes and scheduled tribes to ensure reservations for the more disadvantaged subgroups within these communities. The decision to exclude the creamy layer from SC/ST quotas has sparked significant debate. On Tuesday, the Maharashtra government ordered the suspension of 3 police officials, including a senior police inspector, for alleged dereliction of duty in probing the sexual abuse of 2 girls at school in Badlapur amid massive protests. Meanwhile, the rail roko protest at Badlapur station in Maharashtra's Thane district on Tuesday over the alleged sexual abuse of 2 female students of kindergarten led to diversion of 12 long-distance trains via alternate routes, while authorities arranged buses for stranded commuters. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said on Tuesday that an inquiry led by a woman IPS officer was ordered into the incident. The pig farmers of Mizoram suffered a loss of nearly 800 crores following the outbreak of African swine fever in the state since 2021. Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister C. Lalsrivunga said that 57,217 pigs died of African swine fever and around 43,000 others were culled to prevent the spread of the disease between March 2021 to 15 August 2024. Pig farmers of Mizoram incurred a financial loss of around 800 crores during that period. India and Malaysia on Tuesday decided to elevate their ties to the level of comprehensive strategic partnership following talks between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Malaysian counterpart Anwar Ibrahim. The two sides inked several pacts, including one on employment and repatriation of workers and another on boosting cooperation in the area of digital technologies. PM Modi said India also plans to integrate its Unified Payments Interface (UPI) with Malaysia's PayNet. Currently, UPI is operational in Bhutan, Singapore, the UAE, France, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, and Nepal as part of India's strategy to extend its instant payment network worldwide. In the biggest OTT platform merger, Mukesh Ambani's JioCinema is likely to merge with Disney Hotstar, owned by Bob Iger, to create a single platform. The joint OTT will have 120 channels and 2 online streaming services. Reliance will invest 11,500 crores for the joint venture with Neeta Ambani as the chairperson. The combined entity will be valued at 70,352 crore with Reliance Group holding a 63% stake. BCCI Secretary Shah is reportedly set to become the next chairman of the International Cricket Council according to a report by The Age on Wednesday. Rumours about Shah's elevation have been spreading ever since the current ICC chairman Greg Barclay decided not to seek a third term after his tenure ends on November 30. That's all for today. For more such news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.